Hi guys, Richard from Aqua Essentials here today on my Friday specials, where I talk to you guys very briefly about a plant that we have on offer perhaps for the next few days. So today is no different in terms of what we have on offer, and here it is. Microsorum pteropus. Really nice plant. Let me just do a quick spin around. Okay, these guys normally retail at $4.99. At the moment, we've got them on for $1.99 each. As you can see from the leaves, they're relatively long. It's quite a big species for, or a big plant compared to what we normally see. They're ever so easy to keep. I'll show you on the label. Easy, okay. And if you flip it on the back, you'll see some more details there as well. That's focused in. So half light, so it doesn't like bright light. That's really important. Doesn't grow very quickly. That is essential to not put it near the top of your tank near the light, because it won't like it. You'll start getting algae on it quite quickly. So position it towards the lower part or the bottom of your tank. It does need to be tied onto wood or rock. So that's really important. Don't plant it straight into the substrate unless you left it in the basket. I suppose you could do then, but I don't recommend that. I always think you need to take the plants out, give them space to grow. All right, what else do we need to know about this one? It says here up to 50 centimeters. Yes, maybe. You might see it up to 50 centimeters. I've never seen this plant that big, but that's not to say it doesn't grow that big. But apart from that, it's dead easy. You're going to love it. We've already sold absolutely loads, and we've probably only got about 80 left now. So if you're watching this and I've just uploaded it, you have to be quick. Obviously, if you're watching this in the past, this sale is finished. But look out by subscribing to our newsletters, and you'll be the first to know about these plants. So this one, Microsorum pteropus, boom, that one there. Currently $1.99, normally $4.99. So you better be quick. All right, I'll speak to you guys next week.